Matt, you can do it.
The jump.
Okay, Matt.
What are they doing? That was too far.
There you go. Just make your way in, and I'll.
Well, they've got GoPros. Yeah. Don't blame them. He's only wearing one too.
Yeah.
Okay, so welcome to the jump, guys. My name's Matt, and this is Josh. So the way this works, you're each going to get 4 jumps. Okay, the first 2 of them do have to be off this lower platform. Okay, right. That's just so we can make sure you can do the technique properly. Get the technique right, you're good to go to that top one. Okay, if you don't quite nail the technique after those first 2, we will ask you to do a 3rd jump, and maybe even after that all 4 of your jumps from the lower one. Okay, we are just thinking about your safety. If we do not let you go to the top one, we're not just trying to be horrible and ruin your holiday. Okay, the technique is pretty simple though. When you go out to the edge of the platform, please put your strongest foot at the edge, other foot just behind, and then when you're ready to jump, you're just going to jump forwards. I'll come to questions at the end. Jump forwards, and then in the air I want you to lean back and lift your legs up so that you land on your back and your bum. Okay, you paying attention? So you're jumping forwards, lifting those legs up and leaning back. So imagine that's the top of the bag.
Don't you put your arms like that?
Yes. Back in your bum, and I also want you to have your arms across your chest, just like that. Okay? Does everyone understand that? I'll come to questions at the very end. So you're not doing any flips, twists, turns, nothing like that. Jumping forwards onto your back and your bum. Okay? The last little bit, please just roll off the bag. Okay? You'll want to just stand up and walk off, but please don't do that. Roll over to this edge, slide down the side. Okay? Can you all look up at Josh for me? He's going to give you a quick demo on how it's done. So just like that. Absolutely perfect. Okay. Can you guys all follow Josh up to that lower platform?
Thanks. I'm gonna need it, I think. So is this taller? My dominant leg straight.
Watch Lily.
Yeah.
What's she doing?
She's doing the jump.
She is doing the jump.
Or he couldn't wear the wrist, sadly.
I know. It's okay, we'll watch him though, can't we?
Yeah, that'd be okay because they're going like this.
Yeah.
His camera, or he could put the camera top on top and he could just, it wouldn't smash.
I know.
I'm a burrito. Want to go first? Yeah. I could film you then. I'm so excited. Isn't it like straight?
Am I live?
Yeah.
I'm on camera. Have a look.
Great.
There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's great.
Isn't it like
it'll be on my channel, on my YouTube channel.
The little YouTuber, are you?
Yeah.
How many views?
Don't know.
Millions.
Isn't it
Maybe.
like that?
Like what? Yeah. So all you're gonna do is you are going to step forward, and then legs are gonna go up. Okay?
Yeah, and then put into basically that.
I've done cheer, so I have to hold a hollow. Basically, that's what I'm doing in the air.
I do kickboxing.
Yeah. Film.
Yeah, nice like that. Perfect. Yeah, just make sure it's like okay when you're doing it, because obviously your arms are going to need to go over. Yeah, it might not cover it up a bit, but... Ready?
Yeah. Ollie! Ollie! Ready?
Yep.
Maybe in the arcade, do you want to wear the wristwatch?
Good. I got the first two. Is that good, Ol? Is that good? What? Is that good? Yeah. You can do that when you're 8 years old.
Can you hold my bag, please?
I can. How was that?
So fun.
So fun.
So glad there's another girl.
Was it hot up there?
Yeah. Actually, I felt really good. Felt like I was flying.
Recording.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that's how it records.
let's go.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I do subscribe our channel. Follow our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.